Hi guys, so it's me, Carolee from Holistic Chiropractic and Wellness Center, and I'm here with Kelly White today. So if you don't know already, we are doing a open house family day on October 2nd from 5 until 7 o'clock, and we'll have different practitioners doing different little mini sessions, one of which is going to be Kelly. So if you want to tell us a little bit about what you'll be doing.
All right, Carolee, I'm going to be sharing the two modalities that I do the most here in my treatment room. The first one is reflexology, foot reflexology. I won't be doing foot reflexology, but you can see behind my head, the hand map is very similar to the foot map. So you could come into the clinic, and when you come into my room, you could say, well, you know, like I get a lot of headaches. Could reflexology help with that? And so I'll quickly show you, yeah, there's some things you can do for that. And for every issue that you have, there's literally something that we could find reflexology to help with. The other thing, Carolee, is that I do SRT, spiritual response therapy, and that is more like talk therapy.
Okay.
And so I can explain what that's all about if you come in and pop in and see me, and it's soul clearing work, which is pretty cool.
Very cool.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So if you guys are interested, for sure drop in. It's from 5 till 7, like I said. You don't need to come at a specific time. So whenever you're available, and you can meet Kelly and see what she's all about.
Thanks, Carolee.
Yeah, thank you.